Now we're going to make a fun patriotic cheer bow. So I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, I fold it in half, lay it into my Mini Bowdabra. I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. So now I have these two pieces that have already dovetailed, but just in case you don't know how to dovetail, folding it in half, and I'm going to cut towards my ribbon. And that gives us the really cool dovetailed ends. So now I'm going to just fold this in half, find the center, do a little pinch, and this keeps us from having to sew, and just tuck that into my Mini Bowdabra. Take this end, I'm going to put the red on top, and just scrunch this down into the Mini Bowdabra. I'm going to fold it back over, bring it around under here, and again I'm going to do my little mountain there and scrunch it into the Mini Bowdabra. And now I'm going to find the center here and scrunch this in. I'm going to scrunch this down in here. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, and the reason I folded it in half is because now I have a slip knot. So I'm going to hold my bow down really tight, pull it out of my Bowdabra, and I love this because there's no sewing or anything. It's perfect. Bring it around to the back, and then I'm going to tie this onto my ponytail holder. And I'm going to just shape this out here. Then I'm going to take a glue dot, and I'm actually using Zots, and we have a link below to where you can purchase it. Whoops, and I'm going to take this here, and I'm going to bring it through my headband, bring it around, and attach it right to the back there. And now you have an absolutely adorable cheer bow that takes seconds to make with no sewing. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.